How often you pick something up that you didn't even realize you needed until you actually bought it? And that's exactly how I felt about this guy right here. This is the Ulanzi smartphone camera rig. And if you've ever gone out and tried to shoot with your phone holding it like this, you know that there's a lot of difficulty keeping it stable, framing the shot correctly, and if you're trying to attach accessories, forget about it. And that's where this little guy comes in. The smartphone cinema rig is all metal construction. It's got a spring-loaded opening and closing mechanism, these handy little handles, and importantly, it's got a couple shoe mounts here, so you could attach things like a microphone, a light, and I've just found it to be incredibly helpful. Additionally, when you've got your phone mounted on a tripod and you're using one of these, here's a perfect example. You're using one of these guys right here, right? Where it's got another spring-loaded attachment point. Well, if you're using the rear-facing camera and you set up the phone on here, now the screen is blocked and you can't necessarily see the full framing of your shot, which I find to be problematic. With the smartphone cinema rig, the whole back piece is open, so you can see all of your framing on it. In addition to having two cold shoes on the top, it's also got a place to mount a tripod from the rear, so you can just set this up on your tripod, light attached, mic attached, and have full access to the screen. It's all metal construction, really nicely built and super lightweight. I can just throw it in my bag and I have it with me. A lot of times I will shoot long form content on a tripod, and then you know, when you're shooting B-roll, you take your phone off the tripod, load it in this, and then now you've got this ability to like shoot incredibly stable shots with a lot of access for finding the right angles, pan and tilt. I actually just didn't realize I needed this until I bought it, and now it's like comes with me everywhere. It's got a comfortable grip. I love that it holds the phone so securely. I'm actually just a big fan of this thing. Here it is with my phone mounted inside of it. You can see how incredibly useful this would be for doing handheld shots. Here it is with my small rig light attached to it. If you shoot handheld a lot, you might find yourself surprised at how useful a piece of equipment like this can be.